So it's Friday and it's payday, so everybody during lunchtime collecting their paychecks, and my wife conducts a safety meeting and standards and practices and things that we need to discuss. But this section was done today from 8 till 12. That was done yesterday. So we'll probably be on, and tomorrow's half day, Saturdays usually. So the rest of it will be probably done by Monday, Tuesday of next week. I'm thinking that I will finish this floor by staining it instead of covering it with a vinyl or a tile. But we'll see. We're going to cover it with plastic and plywood, keep it safe from damage while we build above it. So this will be the bathroom. This is our kitchen area. And the entryway, living room, standing in the dining room. And then this section back here is divided into three, and it's going to be a maid's room and a driver's room and a bathroom for them. So that's all for today. We'll see you next time.